Bubbles are an inevitable part of the processing world. In many industrial applications, you can't really eliminate or avoid them. Sometimes the process itself creates air or gas bubbles, for example in the case of fermentation. In many industries, concentration is calculated based on the mass flow density measurement. An inline process refractometer uses the refractive index to determine concentration, as this is the only truly accurate way to measure the concentration of dissolved solids. Across sectors as diverse as the beverage, pharma, and chemical industries, liquids often contain particles, crystals, fruit fiber, impurities, and air bubbles. Have a look at how a refractometer and a Coriolis meter behave when they meet bubbles. This graph illustrates the measurement of sugar syrup by Vaisala's refractometer in orange and a Coriolis meter in blue. The steep drop in the trend line indicates the point at which water was added to the solution to flush the pipe. This introduced air bubbles that clearly affected the measurement by Coriolis, but didn't disturb the accuracy of the refractometer's measurement. Vaisala process refractometer delivers stable, direct measurement of liquid concentration in line, irrespective of entrapped air, particles, or crystals that can be present in a solution. An image speaks louder than 1,000 words. Full points for the consistent accuracy of the inline refractometer measurement. We love bubbles.